Okay, Allison, be careful. Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, hey, I am Lisa. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell like button. That way you'll get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. But anyways, today we are back again with another haul video. So I went back and visited Fashion Nova again. If you've been here before, you know that I rated my husband's Fashion Nova clothes, and he kind of rated it as well because that was our first ever time shopping on Fashion Nova. The quality was not there. So about 2 weeks ago, so I was scrolling around Instagram like I always do. I came across this little girl's page. She had on this cute little outfit, and the outfit was tagged. So I clicked on the tag and I saw that it was coming from Fashion Nova. I said Fashion Nova Kids. Fashion Nova has a whole kids line. Let me check them out. So I went ahead and just ordered a few pieces, and they were having a good sale at the time, so everything was almost half off. Let me just show you guys what I got for the girls. All right, so the first item is this. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, it's the burgundy faux leather pants. I thought they were so cute. I love the color. This is so fall and winter. I think it will look really nice on them with some nice pair of like Jordans or even Air Force, those Air Force ones. Ooh, it's gonna be fire. I just need to find like a really nice sweater that will go with it as well, but I think it's really cute. It does have the little detailing going all the way down here. Got this in a size 4. So this is the next outfit I got. It's like a complete outfit, and I love outfits like this, like ensembles, like they already come put together. So that way I don't have to think too much. I got this shirt here. It says essential, and then it goes with the leggings. And then the next item here I got is this. Yeah, it's another. Okay, so this is a who is wearing this in this house? What is this, Fashion Nova? What is this? I believe the pants are high rise, but these are the pants that go with it. It also comes with this little cardigan that they will wear on top of everything. And yeah, I think I got this in a size 4 as well. This will be like one of their lounge wear. You know, just something to chill at home with. I think this is so cute. Next up, let me see, what is this? So I got this skirt, this brown skirt here, and the crop top hoodie that goes with it. Like I told you guys, I'm all about like just monochrome look. It makes you look put together without trying much. But yeah, I thought these were so cute, and the color is just beautiful. This is my color right now. I am loving brown, anything chocolate, brown, beige. Like, these are my type of color. This is my vibe right here. And yeah, I think it will look so cute on them. And I got this in a size 4 as well. So yeah, that's that. And then another thing I got, so this is another set as well, but this time these are shorts. It's very soft. It feels very soft. So far the material feel okay. It's not like Zara top quality, but they're okay. They're okay, especially the material of this feels really nice with this little tank top, crop top, tank top type style. This is how it looks like. So you go with these shorts here, and then you have the cardigan again to put over it. And then last but not least, I got this. This is one of my favorite. When I saw it, I was like, heck yeah, I'm getting this. This is my style. I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, I got this unitard. I thought they're called unitard. Let me just make sure. Jumpsuit. Okay, jumpsuit, I guess. Yeah, it just says no limit. It also says, it has like numbers here, and yeah, it's like in a full leather top material. I absolutely love all the outfits that I got from Fashion Nova Kids. I'll make sure to link all of the outfits in the info section below, so make sure you check them out if you are interested in any of these items here. So yeah guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.